So another quick thing, once you follow a studio, it'll show up here in your profile. Again, you click here for your profile. Well, I'll click on that studio, then you'll be able to see projects from everybody that is curated in that studio. So one great thing about that is if you see something that somebody has and it's like, oh, I really like that setup, I really like that, I really had that going, but don't want to go through the processes of recreating the whole thing, especially if you already know how to do it. You can use this button here, Remix. It will allow you to make a copy of that project, and now you have your own version of that project. You can rename it if you like. It's now in your profile, and you can see what code they have used for the different sprites and the backgrounds and all that good stuff. So a great way to not go from scratch on scratch.